Strong legs, steady steps, and more energy, all in just 10 minutes a day. Let's make day 27 count together. Hello, lovely seniors. Welcome back to day 27 of our 100-day senior fitness series. Today we have 5 easy leg exercises that will take just a few minutes and can be done comfortably at home using a chair. Let's get started together. Exercise 1. Chair, sit to stand. The chair sit to stand exercise is one of the most effective ways for seniors to strengthen their legs, knees, and hips while improving balance. To begin, stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body to lightly touch the chair, keeping your chest tall and shoulders relaxed. Then press through your heels to stand back up straight. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. We will do 25 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, most people stop here. This is where progress happens. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. 9, 10, 11, 12. Breathing calmly helps your muscles work better. 13, 14, 15, 16, almost halfway there. 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep your posture tall and steady. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Excellent work. Midway through the exercise, ask yourself, how are my legs feeling so far? This awareness helps you notice strength gains and keeps you engaged. Even if your legs feel tired, staying with the exercise builds long-lasting mobility and confidence. Exercise 2. Standing side leg raises. The standing side leg raise is excellent for improving balance, strengthening hip muscles, and increasing stability while standing or walking. Begin by standing behind a sturdy chair and lightly holding the backrest for support. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and engage your core gently. Slowly lift your right leg to the side as high as comfortable. Pause for a moment and then slowly lower it back down. Switch to the left leg for the next lift. We will do 25 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, skipping this is why balance does not improve. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your movements slow and controlled. 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent work, stay steady. 13, 14, 15, 16. Most seniors stop here, but this is where your balance strengthens. 17, 18, 19, 20. Imagine how much easier walking will feel. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wonderful job. Midway through, ask yourself, how is my balance feeling so far? Notice which leg feels stronger or weaker. Staying consistent with this exercise gradually improves stability and prevents falls. Even if it feels challenging, each repetition builds confidence, mobility, and leg strength. Sharing this exercise with a friend can make it more enjoyable and motivating. Exercise 3. Seated knee extensions. The seated knee extension is perfect for strengthening the quadriceps, improving knee mobility, and enhancing daily activities such as walking and standing from a chair. Sit tall on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and engage your core lightly. Slowly extend your right leg until it is straight. Pause for a moment, and then slowly lower it back down. Switch to the left leg for the next repetition, alternating legs throughout the exercise. Remember to breathe deeply and evenly throughout the movement. We will do 25 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing and stay tall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent control. Do not rush. 9, 10, 11, 12. Focus on lifting your legs smoothly. 13, 14, 15, 16. Most people stop here, but staying builds stronger knees. 17, 18, 19, 20. Imagine walking with more ease. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wonderful work. Midway, notice your legs and ask yourself, which leg feels stronger today? Comment below. Each repetition improves strength, balance, and confidence. Even if the movement feels challenging, slow and steady effort ensures long-lasting benefits for your knees and legs. Exercise 4. Heel raises. Begin by standing behind a sturdy chair, holding the backrest lightly for support. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto the balls of your feet. Pause at the top for a moment, feeling the muscles work, and then slowly lower your heels back down. Move smoothly and maintain control throughout the exercise. We will do 25 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift slowly and breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, excellent control, stay balanced. 9, 10, 11, 12, feel the calves working. 13, 14, 15, 16, most people stop here. 17, 18, 19, 20. Imagine standing taller and walking easier. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Wonderful job. If today is your 25th day, or even your first, comment below and tell me where you are watching from. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can feel this strength too. Exercise 5. Marching in place, holding chair. Marching in place while holding a chair is perfect for improving leg strength, circulation, and overall endurance. Begin by standing behind a sturdy chair and lightly holding the backrest for support. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Slowly lift your right knee, then lower it. Lift your left knee and lower it. Continue alternating legs in a controlled, smooth rhythm. Breathe deeply throughout, keeping your movements deliberate. We will do 25 repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most seniors skip here, but staying strengthens endurance. 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent control. Keep your posture tall. 9, 10, 11, 12. Imagine how great your legs will feel tomorrow. 13, 14, 15, 16. Do not rush. Steady rhythm builds lasting results. 17, 18, 19, 20. Strong legs mean easier daily walking. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Wonderful effort. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, how do my legs feel after day 27? Comment below. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so you can exercise together. Consistency matters. Your effort today builds stronger legs and more confident steps for tomorrow.